So in our previous theory video, I showed you how to work with natural logarithms and exponentials. So that's ln of something or e to the power. What I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to set you a couple of questions based on these. I want you to pause the video, go away and have a crack at the questions, then come back and check your answers with the worked answers I'm going to do here. So here they are. I want you to calculate the following set of values to two decimal places. So ln of 4, ln 21, e to the power 4 and e to the power 7. Second one I want you to solve is a set of equations involving these. So log to the base e of x equals 2, and the second is e to the power 2x equals 9. And a third one is to simplify in the form a plus log to the base e of b, take away log to the base e of c. The expression 2 log to the base e of 2e, take away 3 log to the base e of 4e. So take this and write it in that form. So pause the video and have a crack at these. So the first set of questions was really just to make sure you could use your calculator, work it properly and get the values of logarithms and exponentials, so natural logarithms and exponentials. So ln 4, just to make sure you could put it in the calculator correctly, what you should have got is 1.39 to two decimal places. ln 21, again, make sure you use the ln part of your calculator. What you should end up getting is 3.04 to two decimal places. C e to the power of 4, what that ends up giving you is 54.60. And the last one, e to the power of 7, ends up giving you 1096.63. So that's what they get if you can work the calculator and put these values in properly. That's what we just needed to check first. Second set was solving equations involving them. So log to the base e of x equals 2 and e to the power of 2x equals 9. Now remember, what we said was log to the base e of any value a, if that equals b, we're able to then say that a equals e to the power of b. We're able to jump between these two and go back and forth following this rule. So log to the base e of x equals 2, remember we want our final line to read x equals, so we want to keep the x on its own and take the log to the base e over to here. Use this rule, and what you end up getting is x equals e to the power of 2. Plug that into your calculator and you get 7.39 to two decimal places. Similarly, e to the 2x equals 9 can be solved using this rule and going back the way with it. So what we'd end up getting is 2x equals ln of 9, or natural logarithm of 9. Now it's 2x, so you've still got a little bit of work to do. Divide it by 2 and you get a half ln of 9 is what the value of x is. Plug it into your calculator and you get that x equals 1.20. Third question was taking an expression and simplifying it. So we wanted it in the form a plus log to the base e of b, take away log to the base e of c, something like that. Now, what we have to do is use our rules of logarithms to split these up and then simplify it from there. So focus on each part on its own. So first one, 2 log to the base e of 2e. Well, that's the same as log to the base e of 2e squared. And then you look at this side, that gives you log to the base e of 4e cubed. Now remember, 2e is 2 times e. So 2e squared is 2 times 2 times e times e. So it's 2 squared times e squared. So we can split that up using that rule. So what we're able to say is that's log to the base e of 2 squared plus log to the base e of e squared. And this one here can be split up using the exact same logic to log to the base e of 4 cubed plus log to the base e of e cubed. Now we put this in brackets because it's take away this whole thing. So this whole part is subtracted. So let's simplify these and then see how we can combine them. So 2 squared is 4. So that's log to the base e of 4 plus, well, log to the base e of e squared. Bring the 2 down in front, and that's 2 times log to the base e of e. Take away, and then we keep this in our brackets again. That's log to the base e of 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. Plus 3 times log to the base e of e. Now, log to the base e of e, they can get simplified because that's equal to 1. So it's 2 times 1, which is 2, and 3 times 1, which is 3. So what I end up then getting is log to the base e of 4 from this first part here. So then take away this whole bracket, so it's take away log to the base e of 64. So minus log to the base e of 64. It's then 2, take away 3, take away 1. So that there is it in the form we want. So we've just used all of our rules of logarithms and combined them here. The only difference being our base of the logarithms, or our base of our exponential, isn't just a numerical value anymore, it's this specialized function, it's this e exponential. Hope that went well for you, and I'll see you in class to answer any questions.